Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered how you can achieve that youthful glow while boosting your skin's elasticity at the same time? Well, today's product might just be the answer. We're taking a closer look at the Nurse Jamie EGF Platinum 7 Rejuvenating Facial Cream, an anti-aging moisturizer designed to restore, hydrate, and firm up your skin. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive right in. This 2 fluid ounce jar is formulated to target signs of aging, making it a go-to for anyone looking to revitalize their complexion. The key feature that stands out is the inclusion of EGF, or Epidermal Growth Factor, which plays a vital role in the skin's natural regeneration process. If you're wondering how this works, EGF essentially stimulates skin cell turnover, helping to restore skin health, elasticity, and firmness over time. But does it actually deliver on these promises? When I first tried the Nurse Jamie EGF Platinum 7, I incorporated it into my evening skincare routine. The texture of the cream is smooth and velvety, and it absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. A big plus for those with oily or combination skin like me. I used it on its own after cleansing and toning, and I could feel an immediate boost of hydration. It wasn't overly heavy, which I appreciated, especially during warmer months when I prefer lighter textures. Now, let's talk about how this product performs in real life. Over the course of about 2 weeks, I noticed a subtle improvement in the overall texture of my skin. It felt plumper, more hydrated, and definitely smoother. As for elasticity, while I didn't see a drastic overnight change, there was a gradual firmness that seemed to develop as I continued use. If you're expecting dramatic lifting effects right away, you may need to be a little patient with this one. The only downside I noticed was the scent. It's not overpowering, but it's definitely there. If you're someone who prefers fragrance-free or lightly scented products, this might be something to keep in mind. However, the formula itself is gentle, and it didn't irritate my sensitive skin. So what about the pros and cons? On the plus side, it's highly moisturizing and provides a great boost of hydration. I also really appreciated the smooth texture that didn't leave my skin feeling sticky or heavy. Over time, it did improve the overall appearance of my skin, giving it a more youthful, glowing look. On the flip side, the fragrance might be a deal breaker for those with sensitivities. Additionally, the price is on the higher end for a product of this size, which could make it less appealing if you're on a budget. As far as value for money goes, it's a little hard to overlook the price tag for just 2 ounces of product. However, if you're in the market for something that's specifically designed to combat the signs of aging and can deliver gradual results, this could be worth the investment. The ingredients and formulation are solid, but be sure to weigh it against your personal skincare needs. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and luxurious, which makes sense for a product of this price. The jar is sturdy, and the lid closes tightly, keeping the cream fresh and protected from air exposure. While I haven't needed to reach out to customer service for Nurse Jamie, I've heard positive things about their responsiveness. The brand is known for its commitment to high-quality skincare products, and their customer service reputation seems to align with that. Now, if this product feels like it might be a little too expensive for what you're looking for, there are other anti-aging moisturizers that provide similar benefits at a more budget-friendly price. Brands like Olay and Neutrogena have high-quality options that focus on hydration and elasticity without breaking the bank. So does the Nurse Jamie EGF Platinum 7 Rejuvenating Facial Cream live up to its claims? For those looking to boost their skin's hydration, texture, and elasticity over time, it's definitely worth considering. While it's not an instant miracle worker, with consistent use, you'll likely notice improvements. If you think this might be the right fit for your skincare routine, be sure to check the link in the description or comments to get your hands on it. Before I wrap up, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell. It helps us keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews like this one. And hey, if you've tried the Nurse Jamie EGF Platinum 7 or anything similar, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.